Wawere kod madhi nyime Homa Bay ni jatend piny Kenya William Ruto oyango ni piny owacho keto tenge omenda maromo siling bilion 28 mar chiwo kony ne jokenya maonge kod nyalo. Kane owuoyo e buore Nairobi romo mar menyo midhiero ma jopiny kale, jatend piny ne owacho ni en tij piny owacho mano ni oting' malo kendo ber ngima oganda jokenya. Bang' mano, jatend piny geno ni wuok e pacho ka nyaka e piny mar Rwanda ma odhi timo e limbe mar ndalo ariyo.
Of development studies, starting with His Excellency, the private sector entities have also...
Social protection is that Nairobi expressway for leaving no one behind, for lifting people up from the bottom, protecting them so they don't fall further, and giving them the chance to rise higher. So let us together extend that expressway still further. Let's build a few more thousand kilometers, and let's work towards a truly universal social protection safety net.
Indeed, these are efforts essentially for preventing poverty and inequality, as well as addressing current challenges, in particularly those facing old age, like where I'm going, because I'm one and part of Kenya's senior citizens. Your Excellency, if you don't have hope when you are retiring, or when you are leaving your employment, or you are having hope against hope, since you didn't have anything in place to lay your hands on, no social protection, you can hardly take 3 months leaving. The next place of where you will end up is in the grave.
Social protection cannot wait until 2030, when we will have achieved our economic vision. If it does, the development achieved at the expense of or in exclusion of social protection will be hollow and fragile. We must undertake both commitments simultaneously, because the standard of social protection is a good measure of sustainability and the promise of shared prosperity.